Happy Onam everyone! Looking for a way to add some festive cheer to your home without the mess? Today we are making a unique portable Poo Kolam that you can move anywhere. Gather your flowers and leaves. I am blending some of the lemon leaves from my garden and I've removed the petals for marigolds and roses. Now the secret, get a divided plate. And fill each section with a different color or type of flower. The divisions make it super easy to create a neat and beautiful pattern. I'm using an artificial flower garland to cover the rims of the divisions. So now the plate is not visible. You can now move this wherever you want and then do the final decoration. Arranging the mango leaves around the plate. Arranging a hibiscus petal in between the mango leaves. Filling up the slightly empty spaces. Then arranging one tube rose on each mango leaf. And just like that, our rangoli is ready. It's completely portable. Place it on your dining table as a centerpiece or on a coffee table. Now we are doing one more of the portable Poo Kolam. Just remove the stems from the flowers. And staple or cut the mango leaves to a desired shape. We've taken an arakan divided plate and arranging the roses on one division. Arrange marigolds on one of the other divisions. Rearranging to my satisfaction. Arranging tube roses on the last one. Then arranging the mango leaves. Placing a rose on each alternate mango leaf. I did not like how the tube roses look, so replacing it with the parijat garland. It's the perfect mess-free way to decorate for Onam. Try it out and share your creations with us. Have a wonderful and prosperous Onam. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Sour Cheese.